Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride along video with my mom, but now it's my dad's turn to take a ride in the old Q50, see what he thinks. I might even get him a chance to sit behind the wheel himself. So watch, enjoy, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you at the end.
Oh, that's how you do it, huh? I thought you said it was done raining after a while.
It is after 11, ain't it?
Yeah, it's doing, ain't
it? Sounds good. Smells a little gassy.
At the airport.
Oh, I know. I wish we had something like that around here.
Yeah. That's like our DOT guy. He's got like a little baby blue Impala or something. You'd never think it. It's the DOT guy pulling over semis.
They do a lot of stealthy stuff too. They're impounded cars. They take them out. And I've seen BMWs out, have people pulled over with the lights, and big trucks and all sorts of stuff, catching people. I saw a lady on my way to work every morning driving it's kind of a beat up old Challenger or something. She's always revving on it and flying around corners and stuff, and I just like, wow, that's a weird lady doing it. But then I saw her one day at a pizza place get out of the car and she's got a badge and a gun on her hip, and it's just not fair. They've been working on this one for quite a while.
Jeez. Are you serious?
Well,
some good firewood there.
3rd gear's fun, and 1st and 2nd's okay, but
rabbit.
Oh, we had it.
Oh no. Possum.
Hopefully I don't have any flat tires or a bunch of blood all over the car.
There's a possum,
I can't have it go between the tires because it's too low.
Yeah,
it scooped it up on the splitter.
Oh my god.
Dang.
Takes off pretty good. For a 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, she accelerates pretty damn good. You
So,
feel it. I mean,
yeah.
it lays you back in the seat.
It's not super torquey, but it does okay.
Still can't get over it. Sounds good.
Lateral grip, but straight line stuff, they just don't hook worth a crap. And they're really soft too, but they're just not quality.
I'm sure for the right money you can.
Yeah, get some Toyo Proxies or Michelin PS4S's.
Yeah.
$350 a tire.
They say damn near $400. If you're zipping along and doing curves and the hills and all that, you kind of want them to stick on the road.
Flames on them. Oh, here we go. Once you go over 4,000 RPM, as long as you're over 4,000 on deceleration, it's like a fuel dump.
Yeah.
So it just puts unburned fuel into your exhaust, and the hot exhaust lights it up. But you also get it to pop and crackle a little bit. I'll do it on the way home from like grocery store or something at night. Sometimes when people are behind me, I just keep thinking about what they're thinking. You push it past 4 and then let off and then tap the gas, and that just puts the fuel in. Stuff. I don't ever use it. Try not to burn up my mufflers and shoot flames through
like that kid that said when he was doing the flames.
Yeah. Mom said your 442 was the fastest car she'd been in. What's the fastest you've been in?
See. Kurt Ireland had, well, the same guy I bought that Olds from. He had that 440 Magnum Dodge Charger. That'd do 150 real quick. That was a fast one. Oh, actually, but no, that was fast, but what the heck were we doing? We were at Rick and Mary's one time, we took his vet out, and I think that was a 5-speed manual. And we took off out of the gas station, going back to Cold Spring or wherever. I just kind of went through the gears and got to look down, I was doing 100 mile an hour, like, you know, wasn't even affecting the tack.
Yeah.
I'm like, crap, we got another gear to go, you know?
Oh, yeah.
The Corvettes went pretty good.
It was in Ted's Corvette. Yeah. It goes pretty good.
Oh, Teddy? Oh, yeah, I'd say so.
67, I think we got it to. Too fast.
She's pretty smooth.
Yeah. Wish it idled a little bit lower. It always seems high to me.
Oh, really?
750, 800. BMW idles at like 600. This is where all the hoodlums came while everything was closed down. I'll show you where they spent their nights.
This is yours?
No, I didn't do this.
Oh.
This is where they hung out. Look at that. The whole thing.
Some pretty good cookie things going on there.
We just came out and took some pictures with them. It looks good on camera, but yep. Big wide open space, you know. Kids with nothing to do.
Wicked.
And too much money apparently.
Yeah, I would think so. I wonder what the store thought. That's how you're supposed to get on the highway.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not as fast as 6 people. Still gotta feel the seat.
Oh, that is different.
It slides forward. Can't raise it, unfortunately. But
Oh, whatever. What do we gotta do here?
I get used to driving this. That's why I always have to slam on the brakes in the Explorer. This slows down way faster.
I was gonna say your mom. I drive hers, and I about go through the windshield. Explorer. front seat's different, that's for sure.
Yeah. Good for the curves.
I think it sounds pretty damn good.
Now let's go that way down to the gas station.
That one?
Yeah. I'll get a beverage. I'll turn. Handled it pretty well.
I was gonna say, afraid of.
Yeah. I think Jess drove this to work a couple of times when I was traveling. She didn't tell me, but I got home and it was in a different spot, or the seat was moved forward. Or one day I got home and I could tell it was hot. I'm like, well, do not drive this thing to the bank and park there. Come home with a bunch of door dings, we'll be getting a divorce.
Right.
There.
Hmm?
This is where that video I sent you was from.
Oh, yeah?
Somebody's got a Porsche.
Let's see that.
I keep forgetting it's not the weekend.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, yeah. Hence the cement truck.
Yeah. Just one tire.
Yeah. Yeah. You can
Sometimes-
feel it, you know, like
Yeah.
launching that way.
Sometimes I get lucky and they both spin,
If you get them, you know. Then if you got posi full time, that's hard on the rear ends unless you're spinning them.
but
You know?
they make a limited slip that you can just put right in with the same gear ratio, but it's like $1,500, and you either got to be able to do it yourself or pay $500, $600, $700 to have somebody install it for you.
Oh, I suppose, yeah. Take the wheels off and pull the tabs out.
Yeah.
Well, it takes off awful damn good, that's for sure.
Yeah, it still moves pretty good.
Putting out the fuel, right? Clear it out.
Well, I thought for sure my dad would push the car a little bit harder, but I guess in his older age, he's getting a little bit more timid, or unless he just didn't want to beat on the car too bad while I was riding along with him. But nonetheless, I think he and my mom both enjoyed the Q50, and they both made several comments about how good the car sounded. So I guess that VQ tone and the love of it is universal. So thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate the continued support. A lot of good stuff coming up, both Q50 and 335i related. So continue watching, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it like always. We'll see you in the next one.